In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have multiple Monopoly Go accounts on mobile. So to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Monopoly Go on your device. And here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen represented by the hamburger icon. Now go ahead and click on the settings button to be able to head over to the settings page of Monopoly Go. In here, go ahead and click on that manage account button, and that will allow you to view all of the social media applications connected to your Monopoly Go account. So what you can do in here is to go ahead and disconnect your Monopoly Go account that you're currently using with that specific social media application where it is connected. Now after that, go ahead and head over to your homepage and long press Monopoly Go, and this will pop up on your screen. So go ahead and click on app info. Now on app info, what you can do is to click on that clear data button and go ahead and click on the clear cache button to be able to clear all of the information and progress kept on the Monopoly Go app. And once you relaunch the app on your device, you'll be able to get redirected into the sign in or sign up page of Monopoly Go, where you'll need to sign in into that another account that you want to use on the application. And that is how you can simply have multiple Monopoly Go accounts on mobile. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.